In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable driver signature enforcement on your Lenovo tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is select the Start button, select the power icon on the bottom right, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on your keyboard, and then just give us a moment to load. And now that we're on this page, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select the Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart, and give that a moment. And then at this point, you can select the Disable Driver Signature Enforcement option, and usually it would probably be the Function 7 or F7 key. And that's all you have to do. Just follow along with whatever the illustration shows you to select, and that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.